You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation: two different words, slightly different spellings, and different pronunciations. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, stay tuned. The top word is the verb. It is pronounced as oblige. Oblige. Stress on the second syllable, the oblige syllable. Now the bottom word is pronounced in English, wait for it, obligee, a person to whom an obligation is owed. Obligee. The French pronunciation would be obligé, but in English, obligee. That's from a legal term from the law. Obligee, oblige. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.